Success starts with a clear mind and a dedicated space. Let's get to work. The first step: planning the day. A clear list is the roadmap to focus. Deep work requires discipline. No distractions, just pure concentration. Breaking down complex topics into simple notes makes all the difference. Midday check-in, staying hydrated, and taking short breaks to recharge.
The grind continues. Every hour spent today is an investment in your future.
Consistency is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Day one or one day, you decide. Keep pushing, the result is worth it.